Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. I wanted to cover Dogecoin. I mean, it hasn't been moving that much. All right, there's not a video that Dogecoin is very bullish, and I wanted to cover it, and it's going to rally. That's not it. But the thing is that right now the markets are relatively strong, right? So Bitcoin is relatively strong. It's moving up quite a bit. I don't necessarily, and I've said this before, I've said this a lot today, but I don't necessarily trust these moves. But what I do trust is that I think the market over the next couple of months is going to stay relatively bullish. And we have already seen some meme coins rally up a ton. I think Dogecoin is still relatively quiet. I think Dogecoin, even though it has rallied a lot, I still think it can rally much more. And Dogecoin is one of my personal favorites. So that's why I just wanted to make a video on that, talking about the current situation and just what you need to look out for. Because at some point of time, in the next period, Dogecoin is going to rally again. Now, obviously, I mean, if Elon Musk tweets about it or if anything like that happens, right? So what they did with the Twitter logo back then, if something like that is going to happen, then Dogecoin is 100% going to spike up. And I'm not even sure what the price target would be. I mean, I think 12 cents would be relatively low for a price target then. But that's not the case right now. All right, it's still possible that it will rally because in bullish market circumstances, which we are in right now, the bullish momentum kind of moves in cycles. And I've said this before, but that means that first Bitcoin is very bullish. Then some other very strong narrative coins are usually bullish. And at some point of time, meme coins are bullish. That's also, I mean, back in the days, or in November, in November, when the price was bullish like this, I also covered and I said, it's probably going to break out. All right, so then some of you made some money because these meme coins, especially the big ones like Shiba and Dogecoin, they just rally at some point. Now, if we look at Dogecoin right now, I wouldn't necessarily say that it's bullish. I mean, we have seen some increases in open interest. So there definitely is potential here. You can see that this is slowly moving up. So basically, if that's slowly moving up, that means that momentum is building up for a big move. Now at this moment, because I told you, I don't necessarily trust these moves right here. It could be bullish, could be bearish, all right? It just means a move is building up, not necessarily which way. But if you look at the structure for Dogecoin right now, what I think the situation is, and let me quickly fix some things. But what I think the situation is, and you can also see that with the ADX is relatively low. So that means that there's no real trend with Dogecoin. Is that Dogecoin right now is stuck between a strong support right here at like 8.6, even 8.5 cents. And then a strong resistance all the way up here at 9.8 cents. And this is the situation Dogecoin is in right now. Because of that open interest buildup, I do expect somewhat of bullish momentum. So a move up to like 9.5, 9.8, 9.7 cents. But ultimately, what we're waiting for is a breakout out of this level. And look, I'm not going to tell you which one of these breakouts I think is most likely. Because like I said, at this moment, they're really, you cannot know. But at some point of time, Dogecoin is going to break out, and the moment it breaks out above 9.8 cents, I think it's going to rally. And that is what I think you need to know. Like I said, short term, I do expect some bullish momentum as well. There is a chance it breaks out here as well soon. If Bitcoin really breaks above, for example, 44,500 and really starts rallying today or tomorrow ahead of Christmas, then it's a possibility. But I don't think look, the open interest is going up, but it hasn't gone up enough. All right. So if that keeps going up, then there's a chance. At this moment, there's no chance. At this moment, it will just stay in this consolidation. But at least, hopefully, this provided some value for you that you know what can happen in the next period of time. And also just in general, what to look out for a potential Dogecoin trade. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.